In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to your Replit website or application. So I've created a very simple demo static website, and I'm going to go ahead and connect my GoDaddy domain here live on video and show you everything you need to do from start to finish. So first things first, you need to go ahead and access the deployment that you want to connect a custom domain to. So go to deployments. You'll then be able to see it here, obviously, and then you'll be able to probably see the preview. Once you're in the deployment, you want to go to the deployments section. So once you've clicked on it, it should open, and then you can see the current domain, which will be the default Replit domain. You then need to go to domain section, which again, deployments, domain. You'll then see any domains you got connected. We're then going to go manually connect from another registrar. Then we need to enter in our domain. So here we are on GoDaddy. I'm going to go to my profile. In the top left, we'll go my products and we'll try and find a domain here. So we'll go and connect here, searchable how to. So I'll go ahead and click on it. Then once I've done that, we can then go to the back end of this domain. So I'll go domain, and really what you're trying to access here is the backend DNS settings of your domain. So now we're here, we can just go ahead and copy the domain, paste it in, and literally anyone can do this. It is very easy. Paste in your domain, click next. So I'm going to tell you, you need to add 2 DNS records. These are very easy to add. You can do them very simply. So inside of the back end of your domain on GoDaddy, go to DNS. Then you need to go to DNS records, and we need to go ahead and add a new record. So click on that and it will open up this window where we can add the new records. So now we need to add both of these records. So the first one is going to be an A record. For the host name, we're going to type in @ and what we're going to do is copy this IP address and we'll paste it in. So remember, a record @ IP address. So go to GoDaddy, go a record @ paste in the IP address, click save. Just like that, very easy. There we go, that's updated. Now let's do the exact same thing again. Now, if you have 2 A records that look like they might conflict, you can here look what is the A record you've just added. So it ends in 208. I'm actually going to just delete this A record here. So we'll click on the trash can icon. This is the one that we didn't add. So now we've only got our A record. So that's fine. We're going to leave it at that. I'm also going to delete any other records that can be deleted because we don't want it conflicting with our records that we're adding. So now the only one that I can actually delete is going to be the one we've just added. So remember, we're adding this A record. Check, we've done that. Now we'll go to the TXT record. So we'll go add new record, type TXT, and then here host name is going to be @, and for the record, copy this here by clicking on this button. So we'll type here @ value, paste in this value from Replit, click save, and then that will be added. So there you go, you've done everything you need to in the back end of GoDaddy. Now we can go ahead and click link domain, and what's going to happen now is it's going to connect your domain from GoDaddy to Replit. Now this can take up to 48 hours. If you go and click on the pencil icon, you can see that it may take up to 48 hours to fully apply and propagate the changes. Now, if you click on your domain, it may work straight away. It may give you an error, like it's giving me an error right now. But what advice I would give to you is just please be patient and wait up to 48 hours. I've done this many times now, and it kind of verifies for me in around 20 minutes normally. You can check that you've done everything correct. If you open a new tab and go to dnschecker.org, what you can do is you can copy in your domain. So let me just copy it from GoDaddy. You can then go to DNS Checker, you can then paste in the domain, click search, and everything should be a green tick here. If it's all a green tick, it means you've done it correct. You literally just have to play the waiting game and just wait for it to propagate. So you can refresh here, then we can re-access the domains in a second. So let me just wait. So we'll go back to deployment, domains, and again, it is verifying. But we can click on this and we can see if it has updated. I'm also going to open a new incognito window and we'll see here. And there you go. On incognito, it seems to have updated. So you do need to wait 48 hours for it to propagate. It might do it quicker, but just be patient and it will work. Thank you for watching. If it did work, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.